Hello guys, good morning. Today is Monday, January 20, 2025. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's around 5:25 early in the morning. Finally, nag-assure na sa akin yung sama sa akin papuntang Balbona. So Balbona is my wildest dream na puntahan kasi yun yung malalaking Alps. Tapos talagang kailangan ko mapuntahan yung ngayon. So according to him, it's 10 hours from Tirana to Balbona. Balbona to Tirana is almost 10 hours by driving. So ngayon, nagpe-prepare ako kasi ang usapan namin is around 6 o'clock. Nasa labas na dapat ako. So kailangan kong dalhin yung yung makapal kasi grabe daw ang lamig doon. So kailangan natin guys mag-ready. So siguro enough na to. So magdadala na ako ng gloves at the same time yung bonnet ko. So tara guys, now we are going to Balbona. Samahan niyo ako guys. Let's go. God bless us sa aming trip and sana everything will be okay. Tara guys. Thank you. Hello guys, good morning. Nandito na kami sa sasakyan. On the way na kami sa Forcha. Which is sinabi ko nga na this is not our first plan but nagbago yung plano namin. Supposedly in Balbona, but Balbona it will take more than 10 hours going back to Tirana to Balbona. So try namin dito ngayon sa Forcha. So samahan nyo ko guys. Let's go. Guys, huminto kami dito kasi alam nyo, ang tubig dito fresh from the mountain, napaka-presko. Yun ang iniinom nila. Dito kami sa middle of the highway going to Forcha. So ito guys, tignan natin. Ang tamis guys. So instead na bibili ka ang mahal, it's around 2 euro. So andito kami sa middle of the highway. Kung nakikita nyo to, malapit na kami sa pupuntahan namin. Thank you guys. So puntahan natin ulit. Tara. still stressed kasi nga hindi ko talaga na-achieve yung Balbona. So ngayon, siguro I'm gonna be, sabihin na natin nagbago na. I feel good and then ang ganda. Look at these guys. It's beautiful. Ang ganda. So guys, parang nag-ano na siya yung snow, natunaw na. Pero dun sa dulo, grabe, ang makapal pa. So we're going from the top of the mountain. The name is Darda. So hindi ko alam guys, parang yung ever since yung snow, yung first time kong na-experience as I said in Kazakhstan, is more guys, maglalaro muna tayo ha. Watch me. You're feeling, oh my god, I'm dreaming of a white. Guys, aakit kami doon. Itatry ko yung skiing kung alam ko. But of course, kailangan natin ng tuturo sa ating basic. So, let's go guys! Guys, look at that! Okay, let's stop. Guys, pababa kami dito. Mayroon doon skiing. So we will try to do the skiing. And then, I don't know, andun na yung kasama ko. Diyos ko, ang hirap ng umakyat nito. Sandali lang guys, baka madulas ako. Careful. Guys, look at this, guys. Guys, bye for now. Hindi ko kaya kasi I'm not a professional, saka kahit i-try ko basic, baka magka-problema, baka ma-accidente pa ako. So, at least, dito kami. So, pumasok na kami. Nag-asukat na sana ako. Ang size ko is size 40. So, it's really hard. Ayoko. So, we're going here. Okay. I think kasi dito kami sa loob ng restaurant. So, gutom na ako. Yung kasama ko ayaw niya. Dinunod daw kami sa baba kasi mahal daw dito. Yeah. Let's go. So, I love this way. Very cozy, pero ang ganda na. Guys, dumating na yung hinihintay ko. Paborito ko. So, let's say. Hello guys, alam nyo ba? From Corchadarda, from the top of the mountain, ang weather dun is 2 degrees in a cloudy weather. And then imagine in this other side of Darda, and nandito na kami, pabalik kami ng Tirana. Look at this, it's a sunny day. It's so amazing. I feel very excited dahil sabi ko nga, talagang napaka magandang experience to kasi it's one of my wrong. Hello guys, so malapit na kami, so hopefully nakakarating kami na sa 3:30 or 4 o'clock. So it's a great travel today, and then thank you guys for watching my new vlog. Sana ma-improve ko pa yung how to vlog kasi this is my second chance to vlog for YouTube. So madami pa akong kailangan malaman. So yes, don't worry guys, I will bring you sa lahat ng pupuntahan ko ng mga especially here in Tirana. And then minamanifest din natin guys na punta ng Europe, but as of now pinagpaplanuhan pa lang natin, pero minamanifest ko na yun. So look at these guys for the last time.